Do you think a fish should eat a GoPro? Well, in today's video, you're gonna find out. We're gonna take this GoPro right here, flop some big hooks on it, and hopefully go catch a big fish. Stay tuned. To make this video even more interesting, we're gonna be adding the GoPro in a waterproof housing. We're gonna try to capture the fish eating the GoPro live on camera. But before we get that started, what we're gonna do is actually give this GoPro away. If you guys want to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also hit the like button. And one more step, go subscribe to my boy Fletcher's channel, which is behind the camera right here. And you're entered to the giveaway. If you would like, you can comment down below some more creative video ideas. That can be a little bonus as well. But be sure to enter the giveaway and get your film on.
I wonder what Noah's up to. Dude, what are you doing?
My bad, bro. My bad, man. Sometimes I like to have a little too much fun.
So this is what we did for the final build. We took split rings and attached them to the hinge of the GoPro itself with a screw and a nut. Then we took braid, wrapped it around it, threaded it through the hinge itself, and threaded it through another split ring up top. Should be good to go. We're gonna tie on right here. One more thing, we were actually gonna tie this hook on, but we thought it was a little absurd to use it on bass. But if you want to see us tie this hook on, we were thinking about attaching to the GoPro and going to do some saltwater fishing, maybe a shark, a big tarpon, who knows what we might catch. If you want to see us do this, make sure you like this video. If we can get it to 10,000 likes, we will take this down to Florida and go catch us something crazy in the ocean.
Now that the build's done, let's go see it underwater.
Now that y'all have seen it underwater, let's go ahead and catch a fish with it. We added some shiny tape on it to give it some extra flash, looking just like a shad. Let's go catch a fish.
So we have the GoPro lure. It's about to get started. We're gonna chuck it in the water, hopefully catch a big bass. We got all the flash, we got it tied up, ready to go. Let's get it started.
Look at that bass. Holy cow. There's another one. See him to the left? See him right there.
That's a bigger bass. It's a solid 3.
Look at him looking, bro. Look at him. I'm killing it. Look at him, he's going towards it. Oh my gosh. Dude.
If he noses it, jerk it hard. See if he'll pop it.
The dust and the flash at the same time when you jerk it up. He's very interested. Oh, bro, he just hammered me. Oh, bro, he just hammered me. Did you really? Yes, he just hammered me. Knocked so much slack in my line. I can't even. Hold on. Oh, there's like 5. 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 Holy cow.
Are they chasing it?
Dude, the GoPro had to have seen it. Yes, there was like 5 fish on my thing.
Here he is. Let's see if he falls for the prank. What up, dude?
What you doing?
I got another little surprise for you.
Another surprise? Like the Lego swim bait? Is it better?
It's better. Dude,
surprise.
We found the Lego shark lure on video.
Oh, you did?
Dude, we found the Lego shark lure on video.
You're talking about like the GoPro shot?
Yes, in underwater. I was looking at the footage. We got it on video, dude. It's in the fish's mouth. I'm not kidding. We went right over him.
You're lying.
I'm not kidding.
Like you can actually see it. Like
you can see in his mouth.
Like under, because the GoPro is like aimed down.
Yeah, dude. I gotta show you. Come here.
Wait, by the pipe spot?
Yeah. By the pipe spot.
You're lying to me.
Dude, I'm serious.
Is it on here?
Yeah, it's on here.
You're lying to me. I don't believe you.
Dude, you're so stupid, Fletch. You know what? I'm leaving, bro. You're fine. See you, bro. You're all shot at me leaving. We're out of here.
No, wait up, wait up.
What?
Bro, I got a real surprise for you.
What is that? Dude, what'd you do? You put more hooks? You put hooks on the side, so the hookup ratio would be a lot better. Dude, that's kind of dope. I like it.
They ain't getting off today.
Yeah, there's no way that. Dude, that's so much better, because we had like some slapping at it. But now with the hooks on the side, they'll definitely get pinned up. Dude, let's go! Thank you, Fletch. Let's get it. Now it's time to catch fish.
So after fishing with the GoPro all day yesterday, we didn't have any luck, so we thought we needed to add some additional hooks to this thing. So we did a little rebuild on this thing, a little remodeling, and we added 2 side treble hooks. These things are ultra sharp, so if this thing even gets touched today, we are for sure hooking up. Let's go ahead, toss her in, and see if we can catch a bass on a GoPro.
I was hoping there was a big one on that drop ball. See, I like working on the bottom like that, but it's not like the hooks catch like everything. Come on. That's the only problem with it working on the bottom. See how like the nasty, I about stuck myself. I did too.
You
I'm about to hook myself. If it'll hook me, hopefully it'll hook a fish. Ugh. Come on, fish. I'm honestly so tired of filming this video.
Yeah, we've been at this freaking ever.
Only if people realize it online. It's freaking like
the hours for this.
2 solid days of freaking. Still haven't yet to catch one, literally. Yeah, but that place is pretty good. And I'm on a fish, 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 I'm on a fish.
No way! Dude, we've been at this way too long. Guys, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that?
Oh my god! Dude, you understand how long this is taking? Like, this is taking this is literally taking 2 days. Not even kidding, that's unbelievable. I cannot believe it. Look, he wasn't even hooked, dude. I honestly barely got him, which is surprising. That is a fat bass on the GoPro. 2 days of freaking work. 2 days of freaking work right there. After so many followers that we caught on film and just crazy. I'm hoping that we can end up seeing this. Fish just engulf the bait. All right, baby.
Oh, she's man. Ready to go.
Dude, I can't, come on.
Oh.
I cannot believe that right there. That was just so stupid.
Make sure you go enter the GoPro giveaway, but also comment below what crazy thing you want us to fish with next. Subscribe to both of our channels. Hit that like button. Catch y'all next time.